Well, and another thing is, a lot of people, the housing market is always a good time to get in because the appreciation rate.
Say crazy, but what do you think about 50-year mortgage?
I think it's I mean, I understand they wanted to get everybody excited about something, but a lot of people don't understand that when you take out a mortgage is a loan given to you by a bank over 30 years, but the very beginning of the loan is front loaded with interest. So what's happening is if we extend it out to a 50-year, you're paying a lot more interest up front.
I think a 50-year mortgage maybe makes more sense for somebody that's a first-time home buyer that is trying to get into the very entry level of home ownership, and maybe they're at $1,200, but they need to be at 1,500. That's not probably an even comparison with a 500K loan size, but there are probably solutions, excuse me, circumstances where that would make sense.
I mean, people do not live in the same home for 30 years anymore. So, my only downside to a 50-year is that if you take a 50-year each time, you are going to be paying much more interest up front.
Sure.
So, Brad and I both agree that if they could restructure mortgages so that they're not front loaded with interest, meaning you're paying more principal right off the bat, I think that that would be more advantageous than a 50-year mortgage.
But I think you're right. The bottom line is we need to look at restructuring how mortgage loans are amortized.